should all go around and say what we're thankful for.
Not Thanksgiving.
Who cares?
No.
I am thankful for all of my new friends I've made this year, and I'm also thankful to have a place to live and have food to eat.
I'm thankful that lately I've been living life to the fullest.
Guys.
And life has been feeling
I'm thankful for that. We should play Terraria together.
quite full and whole lately. Like a lot of worry has gone away, so I'm really thankful about that. That I feel like I've been ready for the moment. Even though it's not Thanksgiving.
Oh my gosh,
You wanna get on it?
my wallpaper
Yo, I'm thankful for many different things.
Weed.
Bring it closer so I can hear you.
First of all, I'm thankful for these kings right here. And I'm thankful hanging out with a lot of cool people. And it's a vibe. Yeah. Enough said.
Oh my god, my
What do you
hands
think?
are sticky.
What are you thankful for?
Talk to my future.
Okay,
You can do that.
I'm thankful for your mama.
Hey, yesterday was super.
There you go. There you go. I don't know what to say. You like the lake or something?
Okay.
I love being out with my friends at home. It's so I am thankful for hopefully yeah, do you want to go again? No, I haven't Okay. I'm thankful for the people I'm sitting around and everyone that I've met since coming to Missouri. Yeah, coming from Illinois, because it was a very big change for me and like everything I have and where I'm at now. I'm like, I can't believe it. It's so amazing and I'm so lucky and I don't think I deserve it, but like I'm here and I'm so grateful. Yeah. Okay, Loki, ditto. I'm grateful for Tilly and Natalie coming up to me random fucking day after class. Literally. Ever since then. It was my idea. I think I was a little high that day. Thank God. Thank God. I'm also grateful for my roommate.
I have a video of it. There was this like
I'm
there were so
grateful
many
for
salamander. I want to see. I love a good salamander. It was so fun.
Not being in Texas right now. Grateful for that. But I'm also grateful that I'm home for Halloween because I miss my friends. But that's about it. That's all I miss there. And my family, but that's it.
Yeah,
okay.
What are you thankful for?
Yo.
What are you thankful for?
Finn.
Alex Boynton? Yeah, bro. Okay, cool.
Hey, go
on.
So think about it.
okay. What you're thankful for?
Right. I was walking on campus at 1 in the morning the other day, and someone handed me a slice of pizza. Their small gestures to me believe the goodness of humanity. So I'm thankful for that.
You're so bad. Is it my turn already?
Yeah.
I'm thankful weed is legal in Missouri.
You are so funny.
I can't even say the rest of what we were saying.
Okay, I'm thankful that I'm chopped in this video. And also I'm thankful that everyone popped out. Everyone popped out to the fire. It's so much fun.
That camera is scary.
It's so fun. I'm thankful that we have this camera to document everything.
Hey guys, I'm thankful that I met Natalie and Tilly because I got introduced to all their friends, which was fun. I'm also thankful that Lily has cigarettes that I can steal and hit a stogie.
Oh my god. Aussie jam.
Okay, I'm done.
Second round, I'm thankful for all of these lovely people.
I was just talking to Jake about it. Tonight I want to watch episode 3. We should at least watch one more, yeah.
I'm thankful for all these lovely people here tonight, and I'm thankful for all the beautiful friendships that we've all made together.
You like it, right? With Jacob, I'm hooked. So, alright, I'm thankful for Barry, thankful for my roommates. I'm thankful for Hollow Night Silk Song. I'm thankful for the fact that I'm high as hell right now.
I'm gonna go after
And I'm thankful for Tilly.
I'm thankful for Chemical Romance.
And I'm
thankful for Mikey Way. I'm thankful for Mikey Way.
I'm so thankful for Britney Spears. Alright, that's it.
Thank you. I love this song. down and say we're thankful, so you need your turn as well.
Holy shit, it's bright.
Yeah. You have to say what you're thankful for.
Kind of drink before that one.
That's a loaded question. How do I do it?
It's on. Speak, I think.
Oh shit, it's been recording for 25 seconds now. I'm grateful for great friends and even greater memories. I don't know. I'm grateful for Culver's. I had a 4-piece chicken tender before I came, and I'm grateful for chicken tenders. Because I eat them way too much. Yeah.
What divides me somewhere in my mind, on the borderline of the edge and where I walk around. I love Green Day. Reminds me of my dad. Thank you, Dad, for showing me Green Day. Love you, Dad. I love you so much. Hopefully you don't die soon, because that's what it's looking like right now. So hopefully if I get married one day and you're not there, we can play this video so everybody knows how much I love you.